Hey everybody, it's Monday. We have mail. It must be time for
Mailbag Monday.
episode 9. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And this is Fun King 3D. All right, guys. So, the format this week, I'm going to try something different. There is a link in the description below if you want to watch this video all in one shot. You can hop down to the description. Otherwise, it's going to be broken up into one piece for each. I'm going to post this as one video.
And then different parts?
And different parts, right.
Oh.
So, because some people wanted to watch it all in one, so there will be a link in the description for that. So without further ado, we're going to open up this guy first. I'm going to just kind of slide those forward. This is a package from a young man named Shane, and he has been following us for some time, and in fact, he's gotten to the point now where he plays online video games with Xander.
Yeah.
I'm quite excited to see what Shane sent us here. If I don't cut my fingers off in the process.
Please don't, because
you want to yeah. Hey Shane, it looks like everything made it, buddy.
Ooh, we got a letter.
All right, well, let me have the letter. You get the stuff out of the bag. This stuff out of the bag.
Ooh.
Oh, hey, that looks pretty good. That's Angus's torture cube.
Torture.
Well, it's torture on the printer.
We got it. Oh, I thought this was an Omna.
No, that's pretty awesome.
It's a
That's that might be the one that I won in the giveaway. So, all right. So the letter says, enclosed in this envelope is $1 million cash.
What?
No, I'm kidding. It says, enclosed in this envelope are my maker coin.
The big one.
The Matter Hackers logo you won.
We did win.
Yeah, won that in the Gleam giveaway.
We won something?
Uh-huh. And a lattice cube. My writing sucks, so I printed it out. No judgment, buddy. My handwriting is terrible too, unless I really. Oh, Xander's handwriting is like bad.
Crap.
So, love the videos, Glenn and Xander. Keep it up. This was sent on February 10th. Hope to see this on Mailbag Monday. Wow, he sent it on February 10th, and here it is. This is actually being filmed on March 10th, which is the Saturday before you're watching this. That took a long time to get
Where's
here.
the $1 million in cash?
It was a joke. So all right, so let's punch over here and check out Shane's maker coin here.
Can I keep this filled since Zach has like all three of them?
I won that. That's got to go on the shelf.
Fine.
So that's it's bowled out. It's really nice. It's got a good bowl to it. It's hard with letters like this because the insides don't stay unless you join them with, you know, like pegs or whatever. But nice, beautiful first layer, Shane. Very, very cool. I like that the teeth are angled almost like a saw blade. Definitely a unique coin. Here we have Matter Hackers Filament. It won't focus.
So
there we go.
So we won a model.
Yep. Shane did just an impromptu Gleam giveaway to give that away and to bring subscribers to the channel, and I ended up winning our own contest, which is weird, but so, and then this lattice cube, these are actually very hard to print. You can see like there's like almost like little drips. Because it has to print just that little bit, and then that little bit, and then that little bit, and it goes around because it prints like this. So I have not yet printed one of those. Definitely something I probably should. But it's beautiful. I'm not sure what printer you have, Shane. You've probably told me, but I'm old and I have an old brain.
Square on a circle.
So, well, it's a cube on a base. So, but anyway, yeah, these prints, they look great. So, leave me a comment below, Shane, and let me know what you're printing this stuff on. I'm also curious to know what filaments these are. This kind of looks like AIO's green, but yeah, let me know what filaments they are and what printer you printed them on, because that definitely intrigues me. So that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shane. Thank you for sending it. I'm glad everything made it. I'm glad that the post office didn't sit on this and break it.
Oh, I'm surprised.
Yeah, because they seem to sit on all of our packages. Thank you for the letter. And I hope someday that we're at an event where we can meet in person. Yeah. So, all right. So that's going to be the end of part 1. Hey, everybody. Welcome to part 2 of Mailbag Monday, episode 9. And this one comes in a lovely prime bubble pack. But I don't know who it's from, and I'm not really sure what's in it. It's a box about yay big, so we will cut that open and find out. I like the stuff that we don't know. Tear at perforation to open. Wow, it actually worked. That doesn't normally work. I don't really know if I'm going to cut it anyway. Well, what did we get?
Ooh.
No note, but we got a Logitech C270 webcam, which is awesome. This was actually in our wish list.
Yeah.
I wanted it for the time lapse on the printers. So I don't know who to thank, but anonymous gift giver, you are awesome. Thank you so much.
Looks cool.
The link to our wish list is, I don't know if it's in the description. I'll make sure it is. If not, it's at our website, which is funking3d.com /support, I think. If you just go to funking3d.com, at the top there is a support button.
It has a handle too.
And in there is a link to our Amazon wish list, which, if you ever want to support us, stuff off that wish list is awesome. There's also some other ways, but this is great. And maybe they just randomly sent it to us and it just happened to be the one that I had in the wish list. But either way, thank you so much, whoever it was that sent this. It's going to come in quite handy, and it's gonna film some time lapse. The reason I wanted this particular model is because it has a printable front for it that you can put a jog dial on to set the focus. So that's going to be awesome. So thank you so much to whoever sent this. I hate not being able to thank you directly, but you know who you are. Thank you. Welcome to part 3 of Mailbag Monday, episode 9. This particular thing I am 99% sure is not fan mail. I'm pretty sure this was something that I won in Chris from Practical Printing's giveaway, just based on the size.
Winning a lot of stuff.
Well, I enter a lot of contests, so that's kind of the way it works. It ups your chances. So, but if you look at the size of this, it looks to be about the size of an E12 or a CR10 bed.
Oh, I was about to say, it's not the size of a printer, okay?
Not a whole printer.
Not an entire printer.
Wait, these little plastic bags are not easy to cut. They're pretty durable.
No.
Ugh!
Oh my!
I put the blade away.
Oh my god!
All right. That's exactly what it is. That is a Peopoly build surface sheet. Whew. And it's taped to the cardboard. I guess just to keep it from rolling up underneath the cardboard. Look at that. Oh, and it's white. That is beautiful. So that is a white build surface by Peopoly. And we're pretty excited. The build sheet that came with the E12, at first, I thought it was pretty good. It had 3M labeling all over the back of it, and I will admit that adhesive was pretty good because I did take it off. You can see it back behind Xander here. It's back to aluminum. But I put the original one on there, and it had kind of a nice texture to it, and I thought, well, that'll be great. I like the texture, and it was awful. Like every time that you printed on it, when you took it off, it left a mark where whatever was, and then it just like left film on there. It was terrible. So
which side will you see?
This side.
This side?
The adhesive goes down onto the bed. And this is what we will see.
Okay.
So, and Peopoly's build sheets are supposed to be pretty good. We'll find out, and then there will be a video follow-up on this. So, and again, big thanks to Chris at Practical Printing. I'll put a link to his channel down below for his giveaway, allowing me to win this. And hopefully once I get the bed level on the E12, we'll get this on there and find out how good it is. So. Well, that is it for Mailbag Monday. And thank you again to Shane for the printed items. Again, they look fantastic. Thank you to
the
anonymous person that sent us that awesome camera. That's going to be fantastic. And thanks to Chris over at Practical Printing and the people at Peopoly for sponsoring, so that we had the chance and the honor to win that. So thank you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Throw a thumbs up on the videos. We love it. If you like the new double format, let us know in the comments. Leave us a comment. We love comments. And check out the rest of our stuff.
It depends on what kind of comment.
It doesn't matter. I like all the comments.
Okay.
So, from us here at Fun King 3D, thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, print on.